Hello and welcome to MC Agency CTL, where we discuss programming, tech, and more. Feel free to join us. We discuss some cool stuff. Uh, for today episode, I will show you how to make this cool navbar. Wait a minute. I talked about like it's cool. It's have going forward and backward animation looping. That's what we want. So without further ado, let's jump into action and see how we can do this navbar. For the sake of this video, you have to have like requirements like programming skills, uh, knowledge about web development. Like you must know how to code. Like you gotta watch our last videos for like seeing things in the right way. Uh, For this video, you need to know about Angular, about ChatGPT, AI, and photo generation. Like I will discuss all of it in this video. So I use this software called Inkscape to generate prototype for my logo. Then I export them into PNG. Then I go to ChatGPT and or Gemini or I don't know like ChatGPT did well in the action. Uh, I prompted it to make like a good navbar image, and it gave me this. So I took this image and I went to Gemini and I told him to do a navbar video by code, like take the given image as the reference. I took it from ChatGPT. Let's see it again. This one. Then I told him to make a video about it with cool animation and stuff. He made some errors, then code went well afterwards. Then the code generates a video. So it generates a video. Then I gone back to ChatGPT to see how I can implement the video in my website, and the result is this. Cool. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and leave a like. Thank you.